Back here with a look at Veracity. Alright, wow, look at these green candles. That is volume coming in for this thing. Tons and tons of volume. And I'm going to show you something here on CoinMarketCap. Alright, look at this. Look at the volume over here. 200 up 242%. Has a market cap of 57 million. Has 47 million in volume the last 24 hours. That's unbelievable. You know, if that was comparable to, I don't know, XRP with a $8 billion market cap, and XRP did $8 billion in volume over 24 hours, you know what I mean? That's unbelievable. So that's that massive spike there in volume. You know, this thing had, at one time, the all-time high is 8 cents on this thing. 0.005. It's up 10% for the day, and we're going to dig into this chart here. All right, I believe in Veracity. I'm a long time holder of this thing. Love the project. I even love the name and you know, everything. The signia. I don't know. Just I've always liked it ever since I got into crypto. Veracity has been one of those ones. You know, it's been around. How long has it been around now? 4 years. 2019. And from its all-time low of 0.0002, it's up 25x from where it's at right now. So pretty impressive. You gotta love crypto, man. You can do well. All right, but look at there's all that volume coming in. This big green candle here is 4 billion coins. There's another 1.4 billion. There's 1.98 billion. There's 1 billion. And there's 476 million. Tons of volume coming in. All right, you can see this thing. We talked yesterday about where this thing could go, and right at this blue line, I believe it was. It'll end up going up higher than that. All right, we expected a fifth wave coming in here. Remember us talking about that? If you go back and watch yesterday's video, guys, what we did there, we ended up taking trend-based Fibonacci, putting it on top of the wave 4. All right, that should give you your wave 5 target, which was at 0.0056. All right, this thing went to 0.00634, and you can see what did it. All this volume in here pushed the thing up there. So, all right, now what to expect? All right, you can clearly see, especially if you have purchased my trading videos, you can see what went on right here. You know, if you watch them videos, you can get them for $14.99 right now. That's a level 3 membership. I believe there's 15 videos over 6 hours worth of content on how to do all this, do what I'm doing right now. Okay, you can go check that out for a limited time. I don't know how much longer I'm going to keep it at that. I've had a very good response at that price, so that's a deal, guys. It's less than $1 a video. You'll get your money back out of it. So, all right, let's take a look here. What went on is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You had 5 waves up. If you take a trend-based fib, these things are great for giving you targets for a move. If you see a wave 1 coming in and you know it's going up 5 waves, all right, this thing will give you a projected target. Right. I'm going to go from the low wave 1 right there. All right, you can see the target was actually high, just a bit higher for this thing, 0.0065, and it went to 0.0063. These trend-based fibs work very, very well. Okay, it didn't miss it by much. It was right between the 610 and the 4.236, or 3.618. I'm sorry, just we're right below that. So just barely missed the target there. You know. So, all right, let's move on. And what to expect after 5 waves? You usually get a small correction in here, an ABC. All right, this usually comes up to the 618 or the 702, your B leg, the way you measure these out. There you go, a perfect 702 Fibonacci. We're right on the green line. It touched it. All right, now where to expect this to pull back to. All right, this would be an ABC coming in. All right, and then after that is complete, you should continue on your way up. All right, now that would give this thing a target, a pullback right to here. All right, let's double that up. Let's see if that matches up with anything. Let's change the color, let's make it blue. All right, let's get this off here. Does this match up with any major support areas? Right through here, right here. All right, so that's what I would be watching for. Okay, that's what you get after 5 waves up. You always get an ABC. Okay, an ABC, and like I said, you can see it forming out right here, and it's nothing bad at all. It just gives the coin a chance to cool off, regroup, get the RSIs back to oversold, ABC, and then this thing should be start heading right back up after that. So you got the A leg and the B leg done. I'd expect this C leg to come down to that 0.0049, and that would be the measurement. How you measure it, you take your Fibonacci. Here's your B leg, that's the top of your A. You take the top of your A on top of your B leg, just pull it down. Boom, there's your target for your C leg. It's usually a 1-to-1 ratio, okay, your A and your C leg. So let's take a look at these RSIs, see if this matches up. The 1 hour is at the bottom. Your 4 hour is 42 and 41, still bullish right now, but just barely. 8 hours at the top, it's at an 85 and an 81. The 12 hour is at 96, 94, 96, 94. And your daily is right at the top at 100 and 100. But the weekly is still heading up and the monthly is still heading up. So I would expect a short-term correction. All right, and then a continuation back up. Okay, now this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, I've been looking at these charts for years. I can show you over here, you know, on gold. I've been calling this out for a very long time. The Dow Jones, everything. All right, put this on the daily. Let me show you this. All right, I've had this target for gold for a while. All right, down here at this yellow line at 1796, I've been calling for this for a while. And what this is, it's an ABC. All right, you got your, whoops, sorry about that, there we go. You got your A, B, and the C would be down here. All right, you put your A leg on top of your B, pull it down, and that gives us a target. Okay, actually the target should be right up here a little bit, right about 1,800 bucks. Okay, and on that you can see how this thing has just been crashing down. It's at 1827 right now, 1827.31. It's at its low for the day. It's still falling. If you put them on the hourly, all right, you can see this thing crashing down here. I'm only $27 away from it. Okay, and like I said, I've been calling for this since it was up here, you know, at 1950. All right, I've been calling for this correction, so not too bad with these calls on these charts. All right, even the Dow Jones, it ended up doing an ABC here. Can show you that, nailed it perfectly. C leg down here, see how it touched it. And the ABC. Now the Dow Jones should be heading back up. The daily's reset. This thing should be bouncing. So just trying to give you a little bit of understanding that you know I know a little bit about what's going on here. You know, nothing is financial advice and nothing is guaranteed. If Bitcoin starts tanking, it's going to tank the whole market. All right, if Bitcoin takes off or just stays where it's at, this should play out just fine, and then this thing should continue up. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you very soon. Have a great night, everybody.